Let's start with another most important social networking sites present on internet today. Another social network that has significant role in social media marketing is Twitter. It is less popular than Facebook, but it still has over 310 million active users. What differentiates this social network from others is the microblogging form upon which the website is based on. Twitter is another social networking platform that allows registered users to read and write 140 character messages called tweets. It is available across all devices such as cell phones, desktops, laptops, tablets. Let's have a look on history of Twitter. Jack Dorsey, undergraduate student at New York University, introduced the idea of an individual using a message service to communicate with a small group. Twitter was launched as an SMS-based communication platform. Initially, it was known as Twitter. On March 21, 2006, Jack Dorsey sent the first ever tweet, just setting up my Twitter. What is Twitter marketing? Twitter marketing is a powerful tool for companies of every size and structure to reach out to new customers, promote their brand, and connect with the rest of the companies. Users can find out if customers are talking about them and the business can accordingly respond. Tweets create another instance for the business that shows up in the search engine results. Twitter serves as a solid foundation for your business to branch out in other social sites. Twitter is a great platform for projecting what your company is doing and accessing a large audience where your tweets can promote products and events. Twitter is popular among celebrities, politicians, journalists, marketing, and business professionals. Twitter profiles are less personal than Facebook profiles. In fact, profiles on Twitter are for everyone, both individuals and companies. Let's begin with creating a Twitter account. Before creating a profile, make sure every element of your profile reflects your business identity and personality. Follow the steps to create an account for your business. First, sign up for Twitter or to go for a Twitter account. Supply all the required information in the lower box, like username, email address, password. Confirm your account. Twitter will send you an email to the email address you provided that will include a link that verifies your account. All you need to do is to click on the link to activate the account. Make your first connections. When you are done with creating your account, the network will suggest people to follow. Twitter will recommend some popular accounts or celebrities to follow. Skip this step if you don't want to follow an account. But don't forget to add profile details. Click Edit Profile. Upload 2 different appropriate and suitable photos to your profile and update the information that appears in your bio. Try to convey what your business or brand is all about. Send your first tweet. Everything is ready. Now you are set to start tweeting. Hit the tweet button and you are off and running with the Twitter. Well, creating a Twitter account is not a difficult task. But while creating a Twitter account, you need to focus that the details which you are providing is all business-centric information. As other social networking sites, we can't create a brand page within the group. Here, the login itself is your account. Twitter has its own glossary. Let's have a look. The Twitter glossary includes vocabulary and terminology used to talk about features and aspects of the Twitter. Few of your words are included in this particular slide. @ The @ sign is used to call out user names in tweets. Hello at Twitter. People will use your @ username to mention you in tweets, send you a message, or link to your profile. Second, @username. A username is how you are identified on Twitter and is always preceded immediately by the @ symbol. For instance, Twitter support is @Twitter support. Hashtag. Hashtag is any word or phrase immediately preceded by the hash symbol. When you click on tab on a hashtag, you will see other tweets containing the same word, keyword, or topic. Direct messages. Direct messages are private messages sent from one Twitter account to another account. You can use direct messages for one-on-one private conversations or between groups. Follow. Subscribing to a Twitter account is called following. To start following, click or tap the follow icon next to the account name on their profile to see their tweets as soon as they post something new. Anyone on Twitter can follow or unfollow anyone else at any time, with the exception of blocked accounts. List. From your own account, you can create a group of list of other Twitter accounts by topic or interest. For example, list of friends, co-workers, celebrities, athletes, etc. Twitter lists also contain a timeline of tweets from the specific accounts that were added to the list, offering you a way to follow individual accounts as a group on Twitter. Moving ahead with mention. Mentioning other accounts in your tweet by including the @ sign followed directly by their name or their username is called a mention. Also, pinned tweets. You can pin a tweet to the top of your profile page to keep something important to you about the flow of time ordered tweets. Protected tweets. Tweets are public by default. Choosing to protect your tweets means that your tweets will only be seen by your followers. Reply. A response to another person's tweet. Reply by clicking or tapping the reply icon next to the tweet you would like to respond to. A direct reply count is displayed next to the reply icon of a tweet and indicates the total number of replies the tweet has received. Retweet. The act of sharing another account's tweet to all your followers by clicking or tapping on the retweet button. Timeline. Timeline is a real-time stream of tweets. Your home timeline, for instance, is where you see all the tweets shared by your friends and other people you follow. Timestamp. The date and time a tweet has posted to Twitter. A tweet's timestamp can be found in a gray text in the detailed view of any tweet. Top tweets. Tweets determined by a Twitter algorithm to be the most popular or resonant on Twitter at any given timeline. Unfollow. To cease following another Twitter account user, their tweets no longer show up in your home timeline. Now the biggest question is how to increase followers on Twitter. Grow your community by adding a follow button in your website and promote your username. Get noticed with hashtags. Engage with your followers by collecting feedback to build a better business. Also, don't forget to sync your email contacts with Twitter. Keep your bio updated with the events or the business campaigns you are running. Embed your best tweets and tweet to people every day. Follow people who follow you. Make sure you're engaging with the customers on Twitter and not to your product. Why your business should advertise on Twitter? Still wondering the answers? Let's have a look. Twitter's brand-friendly environment is a great place to reach potential new clients and customers, and Twitter followers have been seen. And Twitter followers have been shown to bring real value to businesses. 66% of Twitter users have discovered a new small or medium businesses on Twitter, and 94% plan to purchase from the small or medium businesses they follow. Yes, it is 94% people who plan to purchase. That's a kind of purchase intent just can't be ignored. Perhaps that is why in a recent survey, 63.5% of social media managers listed Twitter as one of their top social media platforms in terms of ROI.